TRX bodyweight row for beginner. Hold the TRX handles with your palms facing each other. Walk your feet forward and lean back with your body in a straight line. Keep your core engaged and shoulders relaxed. Pull your chest toward the handles by driving your elbows back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top. Slowly lower yourself back to the starting position. Remember to keep your body straight line from head to heels. Avoid shrugging your shoulders. Perform this exercise 8 to 12 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Yes, like that, just like that. And remember to breathe while you're doing the exercise. That's it.